Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to start our new video by using where clause. Previous video we have studied how to create a table, how to insert a database in the table. Now we are working on the using select query and concept of where. So before starting we should uh, run our previous database which we have already created. So is a session which is table created, and this is a session where we have inserted a database. So we just run the script. Then we run the script of inserting the database. You can see the query of insert database has been written over here. So we just simply run the script. Now we can open a new worksheet, SQL worksheet, and here we will start with our SQL query of select using the where clause. So we basically start with select star from table name. As you know, in the previous video we have made the table of students, so we use that only table student where, and after the where we have to write the conditions, and in the conditions we use the operators, basically arithmetic operator, comparison operator, and logical operator. So we are using the operator with the number, that is the column which we have created in our previous table, number equals to 2, and run this query. So you can see the output. There is only one entry where number is equals to 2, and it has represented our database. So we can again run a new query. Select star from table name student where marks less than 200. See, the output is we having a two entries, Sudha and Naresh having marks less than 100. Again we can work some other query like select star from table name where we are using the query of AND. How to use the AND query? And is there in AND we execute both the queries, either one is true or either second condition is true. So output will have the both the queries satisfying answers. So you can write marks less than 200. No data found, so it might be not possible. So we can write as marks greater than 200. Check it out if there is some data. Okay, no data. It might be possible we having the data with this. So yeah, we having the data with this possible. It might be possible we whatever the data we have stored. Now if we use OR database, the same query with OR. Table name student where see we have three entries. See number is equals to 2, there is entry 2 Saket, and marks greater than equal to 200. So we have Jagan and Raj greater than 300 and 400. So you can see in OR either this or this. In or condition we have to satisfy one of the conditions, and either is or matlab either this one or this one, so we get the output of both the queries. And we have to satisfy both the queries are being satisfying, then we both are true, then we give the answers. Now we will work on between. Select star from table name student where marks between 200 and 400. So we can just have the output for that. So we have the output for marks between 200 and 4. We can also have, if the output is not in between this range, so same we can write over here. Select star from student where marks not between 400. See, the output is of two students, Sudha and Naresh, having marks not in the range of between 200 and 4. So now again next query we will use the in operator. Start from table name, that is student where, actually in operator specify the column range where we are using. So where number in, we specify the range of 3 column names which we have specified. So the output will be, we having only the numbers which are in the range between 1, 2 and 3. We are not using 4 and 5. If we write not in the next query, we are using the not in operator. So it's showing the output of 4 RAS where number is not in the range of 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now in this in the next query we will having the operator working with like. Like is basically for the string working, where we have to specify the type of the strings. We have this name starting with S, name ending with S, we having the third character with A, or whatever we have the queries like that we have to run. Like here we will running the like the person starting the name with S, so we like the S and we don't know about the ending, so where we use the percentile and run that. So name starting with S and the percentile means the ending, the number of characters in the end which we don't know. We don't know the length, we know only the first letter which is starting with S. We don't know the length of the word, so we write at S percentile. If we have to start with R, we can R percentile. Okay, if we don't know the starting, we know the only the end of the word, so we can write over here like this. So So we have two names ending with H. We don't know the starting, so we have Saket and Naresh. Both the name having the last name is H. If we use this query, that second letter of this name is A, so how we will write this query? You can write like this. So first letter is we don't know, second letter we know A, and we don't know the ending. So ending we write only percentile and just run it. So Saket second letter is A, Jagan second letter is A, Naresh second word is A, Raj second word is A. We don't know the length specified maximum, so it give the output of everything. If we run like this, so hope your query of select query has been completed. Thank you very much.